Welcome to our guide on how to safely and effectively cut GFRP rebar. GFRP, or glass fiber reinforced polymer rebar, is known for its durability and corrosion resistance, but it requires specific techniques for cutting. Before starting, you'll need a few essential tools: a diamond blade saw for clean cuts, safety goggles, gloves, a dust mask, and clamps to hold the rebar in place. First, measure the GFRP rebar carefully and mark the spot where you'll be cutting. Precision is important, so double-check your measurements to avoid wasting material. Next, securely clamp the rebar to a stable surface. GFRP rebar is lightweight, but proper support during cutting helps ensure a smooth cut and reduces movement. With the rebar secured, slowly lower the diamond blade saw onto the mark. Apply steady pressure, allowing the blade to cut through the material without forcing it. A clean cut will prevent splintering and ensure accuracy. And that's it. You now have a clean cut on your GFRP rebar, ready for installation. Remember, always follow safety protocols when cutting any type of construction material. For more tips, check out our other videos on GFRP rebar.